I used to think we have robots, sensors, and AI monitoring underground. So why are coal mine explosions still happening? Here's the uncomfortable truth. The technology isn't the problem. The engineering is. Coal seams have been trapping methane gas under extreme pressure for hundreds of millions of years. The moment you start cutting, that gas doesn't wait. It blows. There's no stopping it. It's baked into the geology, and modern mines cut fast. Today's longwall mining rigs stretch dozens of meters wide, slicing through entire coal seams in one continuous pass. Every foot forward leaves behind a massive underground void, and that void fills with methane, trapped inside collapsed rock, impossible to fully ventilate. Then the cutter hits a hard rock patch, high-speed carbide blade, one spark. The gas was already there. It was just waiting. That's the paradox. The faster and deeper you mine,